Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Traders can start their trading journey with as little as $100. With the introduction of mini, micro, and low minimum deposit accounts by Forex brokers, traders can now open an account with no cash and start trading with as little as $100. The real question is, should you start Forex trading with $100? This is definitely a good starting point for beginner traders who are still getting used to the financial markets, and it will definitely assist professional traders when testing out new strategies. These accounts are perfect for beginner traders to learn vital lessons about money management, since a trader may already have restricted capital, and they will learn how to use the little they have very wisely. Finding a list of some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers can sometimes be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, trustworthy, and reliable broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 4 on our list is Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kyiv, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, Current Swiss Bank, and Gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials, that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. At number 2 on our list is City Index. City Index is a spread betting, CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering indices, shares, Forex, cryptos, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate accounts, Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.